Good morning, everyone. We got the backhoe warming up, getting ready to do some more digging this morning. I got a little bit of it graded out roughly last night, but it was getting dark, and when it starts getting dark, it's really hard to tell what you're doing because you lose your depth perception. So today we're going to reestablish the ramp that's back here. We're going to pull that back towards the closer into the hill so that we can continue digging out next to the garden, all of the dirt there, and get it brought over and built up in our little parking area over here. So I found that the clamshell on the 4-in-1 bucket on the front of the loader does really great about just pulling this dirt down and grading it out pretty nice. So it's really hard to scoop up the hill because you trying to pull your whole backhoe up the hill to get a scoop, and it doesn't work the greatest. So yeah, that ramp here is the one I'm talking about. We're going to pull that closer to the hill, kind of right through the middle of this pile, and then I can dig out a whole bunch of more material beside the garden. We also have to clear out beside the garden here because the electrical company needs to get all the way back to those red stakes back there, because that's where the transformer and meter socket assembly are going to be going. So a lot of work to do. I also want this road here so that when we're clearing trees we can just bring them straight down the hill. So enough talking, let's get to digging some dirt. We're going to switch gears and do some tree clearing for now, so I just wanted to show you guys what we got done. We smoothed out a little bit more of this hill behind us here, just roughly. It needs quite a bit more fine-tuning. Added the new ramp up behind me there, and then removed a whole bunch more dirt off the hillside by the garden. So we got quite a bit moved, and we still have a lot more to go, but we're actually filling in the fill site pretty nicely. Let me show you that. So the fill site here is filling in very nicely. I'm keeping it high and rough because we'll come back through here and trim it down with the backhoe using the laser. But we're basically just going up to this edge here, and then it'll break down and then go to the garden. I think the garden will be slightly lower than our fill area. We're also going to do, so this is sloping at 2% this way. From the corner of the shop at a 45-degree angle, we're going to come out, and everything past that angle is going to slope 2% this way away from the shop also. So there'll basically be a grade break running through here where everything to this side slopes towards the camera and that side slopes to the side that way through the camera. So yeah, the dirt work is going great here. Really happy with the backhoe. It's working really great, and yeah, we're moving a ton of material here. So if you like this type of content, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel. That way you can see more of it. We have a whole lot more dirt moving to do, and we have so much more on this channel. So if you want to support the channel, the best way to do that is to hit the like button. It really helps out, probably more than you realize. It helps YouTube know that this content's good and that you like it. So If you want to support the channel more directly, the best way to do that right now is through YouTube channel memberships. It's only if you want to. It helps us a little bit more directly and helps us pay for fuel and all sorts of stuff around the homestead. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next video.